So now we're going to connect to an Excel file. So click Excel and navigate to the folder where you've unzipped the data files. And we're going to use Superstore for TYD2. That is Tableau Your Data Second Edition. That's what TYD2 stands for. So click that and open. When you do that, then you get a connection here and the tables that are available in the Excel file. So if you open the Excel file, you'll see that. So let's go ahead and open the Excel file and see what we actually have in the Excel file. So Excel file has four tabs. The fourth tab has nothing there. It's a blank one. I don't know why we have that. So we have users, we have returns, and we have orders. So since region has nothing, you don't see region here, but the other three tabs are showing up. Okay, I'm going to close the Excel file. Okay. Now we can click, drag and drop any of the tables that are available into this pane. So this is called the join area, where you can join different tables that you have. So click, drag and drop orders. So you have orders here, and you see a preview of the data down below. Okay. And you also notice here what we talked about in the previous chapter, the icons. The pound sign means it's a numerical variable, ABC means it's a text variable, and then let's see what else we have here. Okay, so we have ship date, order date and ship date, that are date variables, and we have zip code, city and state. There are geographical variables. Now you can also use these two icons to go back and forth between metadata and data. So if you click this one, you get a list of variables and which table it is from, and what is the name, the remote field name, the original field name. You can change the field names inside Tableau if you want. Okay. So this will be the field name inside Tableau, and what that field corresponds to in the original data source is given here. Okay. Click that, and we'll go back to the data area. Okay. So here is the name of the data connection. You can change the name if you like. If you want to rename it or something else that you want, just click there, backspace, and name it whatever you want. Okay. And this is the original source of the data, that file here. Now here is where we have the connection, whether it is live data or extract data. So you can click extract, it will get an extract of the data. So then your access is restricted only to the extracted data. So live data means you can then reconnect to the data source. If this data source changes, then you will be able to automatically pull the new data. But if you use extract, you will be able to use only the extracted data. We'll leave it at live. Now you can add filters. Suppose if you don't want the entire data from your Excel file and you want only part of it, then you can add filters. Okay, you can add a filter. Then say, okay, I want only order priority equal to critical or something like that. So this is very user friendly. You can choose what kind of filter you want to set, and that filter will be applied, and the data that satisfies the filter is what will be brought into Tableau.